today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I've been rocking this black hair for a minute and I'm not really feeling it anymore, so I decided to go back to the old original Tinker and maybe, well, I was going to do my hair purple, like a lilac color, but I decided to do it more of an ashy blonde with some like ashy brown roots. And I'm going to be using hair from a company called ADDCOLO. I think it's Colo. They sell like wigs and stuff like that, and they have a lot of colorful wigs. Like they have like every color you can imagine on their site. And I chose a wavy blonde hair so that I can dye it myself and do what I wanted to do with it. This is a box it comes in, and when you get it, you have all these cool things inside. Some clips. There's a wig cap, which I'm so happy because I actually lost my last couple of ones. It has like a elastic band. You want to like, I guess, make a elastic band strap around the wig. It has some lashes and it has some clips as well. It comes in this this plastic bag. So this is it's a Brazilian lace front wig. It's 14 inches. It's the color 613. I have a cap size medium and 130%. I think that's the density of it. It's on really quickly to see what it looks like. Just straight the normal color. I know I look crazy, but this is the hair that in its natural state, you know. So what I'm going to be doing on this hair, I'm going to be doing like a shadow root. I actually like this length. I think I had my hair short a long time ago. I think it was like early, no, it was in 2016. It was like here. I think this is shorter, but I may actually cut it a little bit shorter, like to here. But yeah, so let's get started on the dye part. Okay, so I'm back. This is, you know, back to my black hair. So I have some dye here with me. This is the Wella colors. Why is my camera trying to find me? I don't want to be found. Okay, this is 8BC. It's a root beer float color. I wanted of ash brown color, but honestly, like the colors I saw there weren't really what I was looking, what I was trying to go for. So let's hope this looks good. I mean, it looks pretty light. The color on the box shows looks pretty light, but it was way darker when I saw it in the stores. I have 2 boxes of toner. I have the Wella T18. Yeah, Wella T18. I have 2 boxes, so I hope this is enough for all this hair. I think it may be. I'm using Debbie, you know, is her name. Got this from Aveda when I was at Aveda, and I put a plastic bag over so I won't dye the actual doll's hair. I'm gonna use these T-pins to hold the wig down on the mannequin head. Okay, so I've separated it from the lace to the actual like wefts of the hair. This cap goes pretty far back. I'm not sure how far back. I'll put how far back the parting goes. I'm gonna section this off equally down the middle and start from one side to the other side. Justin has this little, for his beard that he has this little comb, so I'm gonna use this for the actual roots of the hair. I'm gonna mix 1 part of this and 2 parts developer. Okay, so I have all of the roots done. Now I'm going to start the actual hair. Pour 1 part of the toner. Now I'm going to pour 2 parts of the developer into here. gonna use these products today in the hair. So I just washed the hair. I used this Shimmer Lights shampoo. And then after I use that like one time and I let it sit for like literally like a minute. And then I use this deep conditioner by L'Oreal. This is really good conditioner. It's for very dry hair. I use it on my actual hair as well. And I'm gonna use this Moroccan oil and some of this to straighten it with. So now that the hair is completely blow dried, I'm going to straighten the hair and I'm going to spray this Garnier Flat Iron Perfector spray. This is the finished product. I really like the color a lot. It came out better than I expected. So it looks really, really good. That's it. And yeah, ooh. You hit your head? Are you okay?
Just get your hands in there or something.
I don't know. I might look alright.
I don't know.
It looks really good though. I like this haircut.
I wanted something different.
Thank you. You wanted something different? Yeah. Oh, your girl picked this for you?
No.
Told me I think that's why I think they're all crazy now.
What it was.
Yeah.
There you go. Whatever it is.
Looks really good.
Out too much, right?
Yeah.